Every next level of your life will demand a stronger, wiser version of you. Think about it. Before a seed becomes a tree, it has to crack open. Before a butterfly spreads its wings, the caterpillar must break down in the cocoon. Life works the same way for us. Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Hào Bó Tong, tuning in from all around the world. Thanks for tuning in today. I remember when I hit one of my lowest points, everything I thought I could depend on, my health, my relationship, even my sense of identity fell apart. At the time, I thought it was the end, but looking back, that breakdown was the exact test I needed. It stripped away what no longer served me so I could be rebuilt with clarity and strength. Our biggest breakthrough often comes disguised as breakdowns, moments when everything feels like it's fallen apart, and it is. That's not punishment, that's preparation. So how do you move through it? First, breathe and remind yourself this is just temporary. Second, ask, what is the moment trying to teach me? And third, trust that every challenge you face is shaping the strength you'll need for what comes next. So if you're in the middle of a breakdown right now, don't give up, lean into it. Because on the other side of this test is your breakthrough, your next level, your evolution. Please like, comment, and share to help others in need. Thank you.